In this video, we're going to look at how we can use the North52 Data Packager to import Dynamics portal configuration data. The scenario we have is that we've got a product registrations entity and we want users to be able to complete a product registration form on our portal. We have a managed solution to import all the components required for this, including the data package. So we're going to import that managed solution. This could be downloaded from the North52 support website. Once that solution has been imported, we need to publish all customizations. The solution itself actually contains a new entity called product registration, a web form and a web view, and then a real-time workflow inside there to update the product registration name as it is created. So it has imported successfully. We just need to do a publish all to unpack the data packager in the system, and that will be available for us to use shortly. Once the publishing customization step is finished, we can go to the system jobs and check to see that the North52 publish all workflow has been completed. So we navigate from settings to system jobs. We can see that the North52 publish all is in progress, and we just wait for that to complete. Once that has completed, we can then navigate to our data package, and we can see that we have got a data package here called product registrations. We open that data package up, and we can review its contents here. First step in our data package is that we might want to deactivate some plugins and processes. This is particularly useful for web portals where you want to disable any plugins that are on the web page create, because the process of the creating a web page creates a duplicate child page, whereas we don't want to do that because we're going to be creating that as part of the data package itself. We need to create some entity permissions. We need to associate those to web roles, many-to-many association to web roles. We need to create an entity form. We need to create some entity form metadata, an entity list, the web pages itself to hold the web forms and the web lists, some updates post web page creation to update the self-referencing fields, so the parent page and the root web page, for example. We also need to do some updates post web page creation to link the list ID to the web page. We need to create a web link for the navigation, and then finally we need to activate any plugins or processes. The plugins and processes that are activated, deactivated are defined in our configuration. So if we come and see here, so entities to disable, we can see here that we've got a number of ADX entities that we've decided we want to disable for this particular data package, and these will get disabled and re-enabled on execution of the data package. If we come across to our portal, we can see here that we haven't got anything in our support menu. This is where we're going to add our new functionality. So if we come back to the data package, what we need to do is simply come across to our execute flyout here and click the execute button itself. And once this is executed, all the necessary components would have been deployed for us to utilize this functionality on our portal. We can see that there was a success, there were no errors. So all we need to do now is come across to our community portal here and go to the services about page, clear the cache. Once that's done, if we go back to our main website, we should be able to see the changes in our menu. And we can see here now that we have got a menu here called product registrations. and the ability to add a new product registration, some products in here, and then see any number that we want to put in here. Click submit, and then we can see, if we go back to our product registrations page, that our record has been created in here. So that's how simple it is to execute a data package and deploy changes out to a portal. For further information, please see our website, north52.com, or our knowledge base at support.north52.com.